What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video we are gonna have a really special presentation. We're gonna be talking about a brand new method, a method that I've never talked about before, and we are gonna be promoting Clickbank offers with this brand new method. Now you want to pay close attention to the video because this new method requires you to understand certain things about affiliate marketing promotion. All right, and so before we get inside the presentation, just want to let you know, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, all kinds of different ways of promoting, none of that videos that everybody else is doing, unique special ways of promoting different offers, offer selection. On this channel we have daily videos where we only talk about CPA and affiliate marketing, as well as a couple of other methods that I feel are going to be very useful to you. And so we have daily videos on this channel. Make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, leave the like, and leave a comment if you have any questions or comments, and I will help you out if I can. Having said that, let's get into the presentation. All right, so today we are talking about Clickbank. And what is Clickbank? Clickbank is a marketplace where you can basically come in and become an affiliate. Basically, you can go out and you can promote somebody else's offers and you will get a certain percentage as a result. So this is a really nice business strategy because you don't really need to go out, you don't need to create your own product or service. You can just basically go out, find something that you like, find something that you have some kind of experience with, and go out and promote it. And in some cases, you're going to get up to 90% commission. A lot of times it's 75% or even 50%, but rest assured you're going to get at least 50% commission, if not 75, and in some cases even more than that. And so you can basically pick an offer and you can promote it. And this is where I want to kind of talk about. Now, before we go deeper into this, I want to show you a diagram. And what we have here, we have the visitor, and the goal is we need to get a visitor, and we need to make sure this visitor actually purchases the product that the offer we're basically promoting. If they actually purchase the product or service, we're gonna get a commission. So we have various traffic sources, we have some other things that we need to do. We're gonna be talking about that. We have different verticals, which is categories, and then later on, if they purchase it, we're gonna get a commission, okay? So we're in this tutorial, we're not going to be talking about creating, we're going to be doing this without your own website. We're going to be doing it without your own landing page. This is all going to be taken care of. And we're going to be using a very special traffic source that I really haven't talked about before. And so you want to kind of stay tuned for this. Now, before you can go out and you can promote it, let's think about what kind of offers that you can really promote. Okay. And so what I recommend business investing. I recommend e-business in marketing is really good. And the other kind of offers is home and garden, languages, politics is something that I recommend for advanced people, self-help, sports and travel, right? When you're starting out, you want to promote offers that are below the radar. And what I mean by that, you want to fly under the radar. And so you don't want to promote offers that make crazy claims, right? You don't want to promote offers that promise to make a lot of money. You don't want to promote offers that will promise you that you're going to lose, 50 pounds of fat by next week or something like that. Those offers they capture a lot of attention. And as always the case is, you're going to have good attention and you're going to get bad attention. You're going to have good publicity and bad publicity. So you want to be very careful. For this tutorial, we're going to promote a very cool offer that is going to work perfectly with this traffic source. So let me show you what the offer is. And so the offers that we're going to be promoting is going to be in the sports vertical. And why do I like sports? Sports is a really nice niche when you're starting out because sports is one of those it flies under the radar niche. It's one of those boring niches that a lot of people don't want to promote, but there's a lot of potential in sports. And so this is something we're going to be looking at. Now, the traffic source we're going to be doing, or rather the traffic method we're going to be doing, is something called native ads. And what exactly is native ads? So this is Bloomberg right here, a very respectable, a very respected publication. I read Bloomberg, really nice for business and things like that, amongst other things. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see articles, right? So here's a bunch of articles. but you're gonna have ads, right? So there's gonna be a lot of ads disguised, well, not really disguised, but they're gonna be very similar to articles, and this is called native ads, because the idea is that they're native to the publication. So a lot of times you could be scrolling around and you'll be able to tell that this is a separate site, this is a product or service, but they're kind of blended in there, right? So this is another publication, Huffington Post, which is kind of a mainstream news website in the United States. And if you scroll down, you're going to see some ads here and there, and it's going to say promoted by somebody, right? It's going to say something like, and typically it's going to be a product or service, right? So all of these are articles, right? They're dealing with current events, but you're going to see a lot of products or services as well when you're kind of browsing around. So this is live shopping impact. Anyway, you're going to see sometimes they appear, sometimes they don't. It depends where you are. It depends on, the time of day. It depends on your browsing history and things like that. But this is a really good method to do, right? So if you basically take a look here, here's an article about native advertising from a very popular network called Outbrain, okay? And so you can basically take a look. What is native advertising? Native advertising is the use of paid ads that match the look and feel and function of the media format in which they appear. And this is exactly what I've been telling you. What does native advertising look like? In-feed ads, search and promoted listings, content recommendations, things like that. And you can basically take a look. Outbrain is actually one of the biggest native ads platforms, and we're going to be using Outbrain. Now, this is very important to understand, is that when you are doing native ads, you can't just promote any offer. The offer you have to promote, it's got to have a very kind of unique angle to it. It's got to almost have a certain unbelievable kind of angle, meaning like I'm browsing a website and I see an ad and I'm like, what is going on? Like, it's almost like I have to stop and I have to read it. So it could be a little bit clickbaity, and it has to capture attention, right? If you do not capture attention, you're not going to get the click. If you don't get the click, you're not going to make money. Remember that. And so a lot of these ads, they're going to have something interesting about them, something unique. And so when you're picking an offer, you have to keep that in mind. The offer needs to be unique. So I'm basically looking at offers and I'm thinking to myself, is this an offer that's going to be suitable for native ads? Is this an offer that's going to be unique? And so I found this offer. This is vertical jump training. And this is an offer I'm already familiar with. This is an offer that I think I've done before a long, long time ago. But I've never done it with native ads. And so this is going to be a really good tutorial. And what I really like about this offer is that, first of all, it has a decent gravity. Gravity means it's kind of a popularity metric, meaning like if it's above 20, it has a certain, there's a certain number of affiliates that have made money with this offer in the past 8 weeks or so. And so you do not want to promote offers with a very low gravity, but you also don't want to promote offers with a very high gravity. With a low gravity, it means nobody cares about this offer. It means it's not selling. Low gravity means that and high gravity means that there's everybody in the world is promoting it. And so the competition is going to be high, and that means that, the prices of ads is going to be high. And also it means that, it's getting a lot of attention. And that means like positive and negative attention. So you want to kind of be aware of that. And so what I like about this is that it's 38 gravity, which is, not too low and not too high, right? I like to promote offers between 20 and 120, around 20 to 100, 20 to 120. And this is 38, it's almost 40, which is a nice gravity. And we're getting 75% ref share, which is really nice. So, we are basically promoting somebody else's product and we're getting more than the person who created this product. This is why I love affiliate marketing. And so we can basically click on this, promote, and we're going to get a link. Okay, we can generate a hop link, and we have this link that we can basically go out and promote. Now you can give this link to your family members, you can give this link to your neighbors, you can give this link anywhere, but we're going to be using a very sophisticated method of promotion. And so the next thing you want to do is you want to go to a site called WordPress.com. And you want to create a free account. Okay, this is absolutely free. So I'm going to show you through the process. We're going to do this together from scratch so that you don't miss any important steps. So here I am on this website. I'm going to click on Start a Website. And we're going to create a brand new account here that we're going to be using for promoting this offer. Okay, and so I'm going to enter my email address. I'm going to enter a username. Okay, my account has been created. The next thing I need to do is I need to type the domain name. The domain name is basically, that this is what the site is gonna be accessible with. You don't have to actually purchase the domain name, and so I'll show you what I mean. So if I basically type something like Slam Dunker, which is a cool name, right? It's a nice catchy name. They're basically telling us that we can purchase a bunch of domains. Here's Slam Dunker blog, slamdunker.com, but we're not going to be purchasing a domain name because we want to save money. We're going to go in here and we're going to select this, right? They're basically telling us Slam Dunker, and there's a bunch of numbers. And that's fine. You can purchase a domain name if you'd like, but we're going to select this. We're going to do this. We are going to start with a free website, 100% free, and it's basically creating a site for us from scratch. And now we have a website that we can basically create content with, and I'm going to show you what you need to do. And you can basically, access this website from the internet, all for free, all without, doing anything crazy. And now you have a website. You can basically go to a place called WP Admin. You can click on Get Started. You can name the site, and I'm going to name the site real quick. And I'm going to call it Slam Dunker. You can obviously call it what you want. So we're going to say site tagline, learn how to, everyone can learn to slam dunk, or something like that. And then we basically click on save settings. We're just going to keep it simple. The next thing you want to do is we have this setting right here. We can basically create articles. So we can click on site. We have posts, okay? So we can basically create our first post. So all of these posts, I'm just going to delete them. This is an example post. I'm just going to move it to trash here. I'm going to move it to trash because we don't need it. I'm going to click on add new post. And I'm going to create a brand new article that we are going to be using to kind of to market this on Outbrain, on the native ads network. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. And so now we're presented with the screen, and we can basically go out and create this title. So for instance, we're going to put something like, we're going to call this Vert Shock. I think that's the name of the product. Let's go back to Clickbank. Vertical jump. Vertical jump. Vertical jump. The best way to learn, or something like this. Can you really learn to slam dunk? Something like this, right? To slam dunk. And then you can basically write the content. So I'm going to go out, I'm going to write this content with you, and then I'm going to show you what I have written, what I have prepared. All right, so I went ahead and created a little outline for you guys. And actually the name of the product is called Vert Shock. This is vertical jump training. And so I basically took an image, and you can basically download an image. That the images that they provided for you. So if you go back to Clickbank here and you click on this affiliate page, you're going to be giving a lot of images, a lot of tips and tricks, because this is very important. You want to check out the affiliate page. I basically went on there and I basically got the content, and now we can basically create this. So I basically upload this, and look, you can even resize it. You can make it all nice. I started with a little kind of a paragraph here. We have some information. How much does it cost? Final thoughts and advice. You can basically give your objective opinion, the pros and cons of this product. And as an example, the pro can be, hey, you'll be able to jump higher. You can improve your vertical jump. The con may be that this takes time, this takes effort, and normal things. And then we have the final kind of call to action. And this is going to be linked to your affiliate link, right? You're going to go out and you're going to link to your affiliate link that we basically got before. You can also link this whole part as well. And it's super easy. All I had to do was drag and drop, and I can basically even resize it. Just make things so easy. I can align it center, which is kind of what I do, what I want to do for images. I can align this in the center, align center. I can resize it. I can upload more. I can replace images. It's really great. And then I have to do is basically I just click on publish, and all it is, and now this page is on the internet. I'm gonna have a whole URL. This is the URL. I can basically copy the link, and this is what the link is gonna look like, right? We have the link, we have the full URL. on the website that we have. And this is fantastic because, and now we can go to a site called Outbrain and we can create a campaign. Now I'm already registered. And so here I am logged into Outbrain's campaign management. All you have to do is click on add campaign. And I'm going to do this with you from the beginning, so you do not miss any crucial steps here. And so we're going to name this campaign. I'm just going to call it Vert Shock. We're going to do traffic here. We're going to do single just to keep things single, just to keep things very, very simple. We have cost per click. I'm just going to put something like, I'm going to start with 30 cents. You can start with whatever you want. Remember, this is a budget system, right? We have a daily budget. We're going to put 20 bucks, right? And I believe the daily budget is $20. I'm just going to put $20 here per day. We're going to run continuously. We're going to start at midnight. So we're going to start the next day. Okay, we're going to have location. So I'm going to start with United States because that is what I like to start with, United States here. We're going to pick United States country here. Now we have audience targeting, right? So we can basically do a little bit of targeting. So we can scroll around. We have sports. Let's see what they're interested in. We have basketball. Let's see this. And let's see, in 3 million. 3 million is great. I like to basically target 1 to 10 million. So for me, 3 million is perfect. We're just going to roll with that. I don't really choose any of these because, you know, I don't need to worry about Wi-Fi connectivity, high impact. You can test with this. You can opt out. I like to basically leave this on. We can scroll down and you can add a pixel if you'd like. But that's an advanced kind of feature. Next, we have content. We're going to go into contact. And then we have enter your content's URL. We're going to go back to the site. We're going to copy this link here. We're going to go to Outbrain, paste it here. Our site name is going to be basketball, something like master basketball or whatever name you have. Basketball genius. We have this. Title of the ad. We have something like vertical master or something like master vertical jump or vertical jump training. We have an image. You can basically have an image as well, and the image could be one of the images that you're provided, or you can create your own image in Photoshop if you want. We have call to action. This is going to be something like learn more. By now, I like to have learn more. That's for me is fine. And then you have to have, so you have vertical basketball genius here. You can call it something more catchy if you'd like. You're going to upload your image. And then that's it you have to do. You can basically launch a campaign. Obviously, you can create more of these. You see, it has a couple of these. You can create multiple of these ads per that campaign, just like with any other ad system, self-serving ad system. And you're going to have this. And all you have to do is launch. And that's all you have to do. And your ad is going to be displayed wherever Outbrain has basically agreements with publishers, right? So we have publishers and we have advertisers. We are an advertiser and the publisher is somebody who is basically hosting the ads. And that is the way you create it, right? And once you create this, you are going to be, once you click launch, you're going to have statistical information. You're going to see where the ad is working, what areas, how it's performing and things like that. And you'll be able to adjust it later. And that is all I wanted to show you in this video. Remember, the most important thing when it comes to native ads is that you need to understand what kind of offers to run. You can't run every other offer. There are only certain offers that you'll be able to run. So if you're doing this with another offer, if you're doing this with CPA marketing, another network, leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of offer you want to run, how you want to run it, and I'm going to help you out. I'm going to help you out if I can and see if this is a good offer, or maybe I'll have some more advice for you what kind of offer is better. All right, guys, so this is all I want to show you in this video. Leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe. We have daily videos on this channel. Lots of new methods, CPA, affiliate marketing, you name it. We're going to talk about it on this channel. Real case studies are coming up. We have real training. And so you definitely want to subscribe. All right, guys. So once again, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video.